Danish Armed Forces contributes to Joint Expeditionary Force (JEF) activity. The Joint Expeditionary Force (JEF) countries have unveiled plans to activate JEF Response Option 3.2, aimed at fortifying the defense of underwater critical infrastructure. This initiative, announced on November 28, 2023, signifies a concerted effort by JEF nations to heighten surveillance and protection measures for vital underwater installations. Scheduled for early December, a multinational collaboration under the JEF banner will conduct extensive monitoring operations across the Baltic Sea region. The participation of a majority of JEF member countries underscores the collective commitment to safeguarding these crucial underwater assets. Notably, this undertaking is coordinated by JEF without central direction, ensuring that individual units maintain their command structures. Denmark, a key participant, will contribute by furnishing real-time situation reports gleaned from the surveillance of Danish sea territories housing critical underwater infrastructure. This vital information will be relayed to the Standing Joint Force Headquarters, SJF-HQ, overseen by the British military, which oversees JEF operations. Leveraging their existing naval resources, including patrol vessels and aircraft, the Danish Armed Forces will spearhead this monitoring effort. The Danish Armed Forces emphasize their staunch support for the JEF collaboration, viewing this mission as an opportunity to enhance cooperative strategies for monitoring and shielding underwater critical infrastructure. Their ongoing vigilance in monitoring ship traffic within Danish waters encompasses routine sovereignty enforcement, encompassing surveillance of areas housing these vital underwater assets. This proactive involvement by the Danish armed forces signifies a concerted effort to bolster international cooperation within the JEF framework, ensuring the protection of critical underwater infrastructure vital for regional stability and security.